So welcome guys, and in this video you will be learning on how to work with two different sheets in an Excel file simultaneously. Uh, what I mean by that is, for example, I have a graph here. This is a big graph, and how is this graph made? This graph has been made by taking the data from this these numbers. So what happened was, these numbers were taken in the form of a series and they gave me this plot. Now sometimes when you are working, you need to change a few values. For example, if there is some roughness or if there is some errors, and you know that there is an error in the data, and that data which has the error is reflected here. So how do you adjust the data and also see the result simultaneously? So if I remove something like this from the data and I come here, I see that I don't know what happened in the figure, because the figure was not displayed to me at that time. So what I will do is, the trick is very easy. Just come to this command up here at the view and select new window. What this gives me is, now as you see here, it gives me two windows of the same document. So in this case, I will take the second window as hysteresis loop and just drag it down, and the first window as the data and drag it down. So now I will just select this and drag it towards the left and select the second option. So now as you see that I have the data and the data and the graph all together at just one click away. Less than that, I can even just observe the data and see the graph. So these two windows side by side, I can make adjustments in this data so that the graph changes as per my requirements and my errors that will need to be corrected. For example, if I see that this part of the data was not actually required and it's wrong, I can just select this data and now observe what happened in the graph. If I delete this data, I did see something. Yes, something happened. So observe it right here. Let me press it again and delete it again. Check. See, this part of the graph had some data deleted, and if I select more data and delete, just to show you that it works, so I will just press this and press delete, and all of the data is lost. So in this way you can make changes to your data and simultaneously work with the numbers. So I think that's it guys, and that's a very good idea on how to work in a same Excel sheet, in the same Excel workbook with two sheets simultaneously working and giving you data and the numbers all together in the same window. So that's it guys, and please subscribe to this channel for more content on the data analysis and Excel videos. Thank you.